Hello everyone, I just fixed my Ford Transit exhaust. It was leaking from this point, and I called the dealer, the main dealer. They said they don't make it anymore, the washer that goes in between to seal it. So I think it's called seal ring. They said they don't make it anymore. I bought a couple of other brands. They were not good, they did not fit, and eventually I just opened these bolts, the two bolts. There's one on each side. I opened them and I wrapped some aluminium foil around the female part of the exhaust and basically tied it up again, and it is solid, perfectly okay. It's absolutely solid, there's no leak at all. I just said to mention it, maybe it would be useful. Good luck.